Bill Gates thinks these won't be replaced. Yo, what's up everyone, it's your name. Wondering which jobs will survive the AI revolution? Bill Gates has the answers. You know him, the Microsoft legend, tech titan, and all-around visionary. Yeah, well, he's been diving deep into the future of work, specifically how AI will reshape the job landscape. And trust me, this is something we all need to be paying attention to. Today we'll explore the top jobs that Bill Gates believes will thrive in the age of AI. From healthcare to skilled trades, we're about to break down why these professions are likely here to stay, even with AI knocking on the door. So whether you're just starting your career or thinking about a mid-career switch, this video is your guide to navigating the future job market. Let's kick things off with healthcare, a field that's always in demand. Bill Gates predicts that healthcare jobs, especially those requiring direct patient care and complex decision-making, are going to be more critical than ever. Think about it. AI can analyze medical images and data, sure, but can it really replace the human touch, the empathy and understanding a doctor or nurse brings to a patient? I don't think so. Think about the complexities of diagnosing an illness. It's not just about looking at symptoms, it's about listening to the patient, understanding their concerns, and factoring in their emotional well-being. These are things AI, at least for now, just can't replicate. Plus, there's a certain level of trust and reassurance that comes with human interaction, especially when you're talking about something as important as health. And it's not just doctors and nurses. The healthcare field is vast. You've got physical therapists helping people regain mobility, pharmacists ensuring patients receive the right medications, and countless other professionals working behind the scenes to keep the system running smoothly. These roles require a complex mix of technical skills, human interaction, and emotional intelligence. A combination that's going to be pretty tough for AI to replicate anytime soon. Alright, next up, education. Now, you might think with online learning platforms and AI-powered tutoring systems, teachers might become obsolete. But Bill Gates disagrees, and frankly, I do too. Look, technology is an incredible tool in education, no doubt. It can personalize learning experiences, provide access to vast resources, and even help with administrative tasks. But at the heart of education is the human connection, the mentorship, and the guidance that a teacher provides. Think back to your favorite teacher. They weren't just there to deliver information. They inspired you, challenged you to think critically, and helped you discover your passions. That kind of impact, that ability to nurture a student's curiosity and guide them towards their full potential, that's human. AI can supplement the learning process, but it can't replace the crucial role teachers play in shaping young minds. And it's not just about academics either. Teachers provide emotional support, social skills development, and create a positive learning environment. They understand that every student is different, with unique learning styles and needs, and they adapt their teaching methods accordingly. That kind of adaptability, combined with empathy and genuine care for students' well-being, that's something AI is a long way from replicating. Chapter 3. Moving on to the world of creativity, a realm where human expression reigns supreme. Now, AI can generate art and music, write stories, and even edit videos. But can it truly replicate the depth of human creativity, the raw emotion, and the unique perspectives that artists bring to their work? Not quite. See, creativity isn't just about following a set of rules or algorithms, it's about pushing boundaries, breaking conventions, and expressing something deeply personal. Think about your favorite musician, writer, or filmmaker. Their work resonates with you because it reflects their unique experiences, their emotions, and their perspectives on the world. AI can imitate styles, sure, but it can't replicate the soul and authenticity that comes from genuine human experience. Take music, for example. AI can create melodies and harmonies, but can it capture the raw emotion of a blues guitarist pouring his heart out on stage? Can it replicate the energy of a rock band lost in the moment, or the storytelling prowess of a singer-songwriter weaving tales through their lyrics? I don't think so. Chapter 4. Now, let's talk about human resources, a field that's all about, well, humans. It's about managing people, fostering a positive work environment, and navigating the complexities of human relationships within a company. Sure, AI can automate tasks like screening resumes and scheduling interviews, but can it really understand the nuances of human behavior, resolve conflicts effectively, or build a strong company culture based on trust and mutual respect? I highly doubt it. Think about the role of an HR manager. They're not just there to enforce rules. They act as mediators, mentors, and advocates for employees. They need to be able to understand different perspectives, navigate sensitive situations with empathy, and make tough decisions that consider the well-being of both the company and its employees. These are skills that require a deep understanding of human psychology, emotional intelligence, and a knack for building relationships, qualities that are difficult, if not impossible, to replicate in an AI. Chapter 5. Finally, let's talk about skilled trades, a sector that often gets overlooked in these discussions about the future of work. You know, the electricians, plumbers, carpenters, mechanics, the people who build and maintain the physical world around us. These jobs require a unique combination of technical expertise, problem-solving skills, and good old-fashioned hands-on work. Now, while automation might change the landscape of certain tasks within these trades, it's unlikely to replace the need for skilled human workers altogether. Think about it. You can't automate the ability to troubleshoot a complex electrical issue in a century-old building, or the finesse required to craft a beautiful piece of custom furniture. These jobs require adaptability, creativity, and the ability to think on your feet, qualities that are still best performed by humans. And let's be real, the demand for skilled tradespeople is only going to increase as our cities grow and our infrastructure ages. So if you're looking for a career that's both future-proof and in high demand, learning a skilled trade might just be the way to go. So, there you have it. Bill Gates' take on the jobs that are likely to thrive in the age of AI. From healthcare to skilled trades, these professions all share a common thread. They require a deep understanding of human needs, emotions, and the ability to navigate complex situations with empathy and critical thinking. Do you agree with Bill Gates? Let us know in the comments below. What other jobs do you think are safe from AI? And if you're looking for more insights into the future of work, technology, and everything in between, hit that subscribe button, stay curious, and keep learning.